thing about tech is that it can capture so much of our personal data, everything from our heart rate to how we sleep. But one thing that people have never really paid attention to was data coming from our breath. And to learn more about this, I have Brian from Breathometer. Thanks for joining us.
Certainly, pleasure to be here.
So I'm kind of interested in this. What is Breathometer?
A Breathometer is a company that's focused on the 300 biomarkers that come out of the breath. We've had a product on the market for the last 3 years that really focuses on ethanol or BAC levels. Our next generation product we're talking about here at CES is focusing on VSC content, or the biofilm layers in your mouth. So it allows you to track your breath quality as well as your oral health condition.
It's interesting because most people are familiar with breathalyzers for, for tracking how much alcohol content you've drank, but you have other data you're getting from this.
Absolutely, and so this one's really looking at your volatile sulfuric compounds, and there's other biomarkers from acetone to 300 of them, nitric oxide, all can tell you things about your life and the management of your conditions.
How does it work?
So the Mint product is designed very differently from a traditional breathalyzer for BAC. BAC detection, you're taking a deep lung breath and you're blowing out into the device. For the Mint product, this is actually placed in your mouth and it extracts a sample from your oral cavity, so you don't blow. And I'm happy to show that to you if you'd like to see it.
Of course.
All right. So I'm going to simply hit Mint, start a test, press the button on the bottom, power's on. I now have start test. So I'm going to go ahead and say start. Takes a moment. So when I place this in my mouth, I won't be able to talk with you.
Okay.
But it's pretty quick. So it's quick analysis. So it's basically showing that I have 47 parts per billion volatile sulfuric compounds in my breath. Fortunately, on the scale for you and I, that says that I have good quality breath. So what this won't pick up is if you're a smoker, you have cigarette breath, that's not a VSC. It may be picked up in other ways if you're a chronic smoker, but not immediately. So this is breath quality as well as overall oral health. And we're proud to be partnered with Philips, who will be introducing this as part of their breath quality care system later in this year.
I think one of the amazing things about this is not just for like a certain demographic group, this is pretty much for everybody.
Absolutely, and so what we find is there are users that are in their 20s are interested in this. They're into the quantified self and like to know more about themselves. And there's a direct correlation between oral health and overall physical health. And there are a lot of physicians that are monitoring that and measuring it. Not something we're directly involved in, but I think it's a key early indicator for people.
And the Mint, what kind of price point are we talking about here?
The Mint will be shipping in Q2 of this year. It's $99, and the app will be free. It allows you to set goals and trends and track that. The Philips product, including our Mint technology, will be shipping in Q4 of this year, and will be available through Philips at around $250 with their Sonicare products and their BreathRx spray.
If people want to get more information about Breathometer and the Mint in general, where would they go?
Breathometer.com would be the best destination to get data, and from there you can contact us or learn additional things.
So if you want to improve your health, check your breath. Thanks, Brian.
Thank you very much.